Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. In this edition of today's newspaper on Monday, February the 6th, 2023. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve, and the first puzzle I have done is the 3 Stars Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left: the binary, the tectonic, in Dutch they call it cyberblock, in Japanese Suguru. This one is with 4 stars, and this one you are interested. Yeah, it's a Sudoku with 4 stars, and this will be number 5917. 5917. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1 less than the previous Sudoku. 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. We'll see if this is really a 4 stars puzzle, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s, 3 2s, 1 3, 2 4s, 4 5s. Alright, the 5s. 2 3 6s, 3 7s, 2 8s, and 3 9s. Alright, let me start with this big square. So the 5s are in majority, okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 5. We have a 4 and a 5 in the first column, so no 4 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 and the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. Alright. 1 3 9, 3 9. So 3 missing numbers now in the first column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7, and the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 3 9, 1 3 9, 1 3 9, 1 3 9. And look, we have a 1 and a 9 in the first row, so no 1 and a 9 in this box. The 1 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in the first column for the number 3. Alright. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Okay. Cannot continue with the 7. Need to wait. Yeah, need to wait. 9 9, okay. 2 2. How about 1 4 1 4 8 1 4 8 1 4. 3 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers in the middle row are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 4 8 1 4 8 1 4 8 1 4 8. And look, we have a 4 and an 8 in this column, so no 4 and 8 in this box. The 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8, so 1 digit left in the middle row for number 1. 1 1. I mark those 2 boxes later. Otherwise, if I mark those 2 boxes with the 4 and 8, then maybe I will make a mistake. So I'd rather mark boxes within a big square. Yeah. Alright. Let me see. 2 2. About the 3 then. Come on. 6 6 6. 6, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, middle column, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here, 6 in the first row, so no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see a 5 in the last column, so no 5 there. Here, 5 in that column, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay, 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column, so no 5 there, 5 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 5, I need more information, yes, insufficient information. Alright. How about these 4 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column. Third column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2, 2, 2, 2. Then 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. Okay. 6, 6. Yeah, we have a pair, the 6 and the 5 in this column, the 6 and the 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 6 and the 5, 6 and the 5. So what are the other 2 numbers in this column? For numbers, the 1 is, sorry, the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. On there, we see a 2 in the last column. No 2 there, 2 should be there. 2, 2. Okay. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 and a 3. Okay. Then 7, 7, 4, 9, no, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, 3. Well, we have a 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. Here, 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, 9. Okay. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in the second column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. How about the 5 then? Nope. 5, I cannot continue. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. So now we have 2 missing numbers in the middle column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those. Here we have 6 and a 5, 4 and 8. So these 2 numbers in this big square, the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. Another pair, a lot of pairs. Here are 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3, 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 in this last row. No 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in the last column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column between, only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. You see here 1 in this row, no 1 there. Here 1 in the middle row, so no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be here. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, no, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in the first row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the 3, we have a 1 now in the third row, so no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And all the ones are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. Alright, okay. 6 in this row, first row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, only place left for the 6 should be there. Okay. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Okay, 6 and 8. Well. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this row. Second row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes and there. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 1 box left in the first row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. So now 8 and the 6. Well, okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7. 3 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 6, 9. What the 7? Need a 7 here. Come on. Yeah, also 4 and 8. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. Correction, 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 6, sorry, in the last column. 6 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 6. Could be here, could be there. 4 in the last row. 4 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4, okay. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And 8 goes there. 4 and 8. We have an 8 now in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes in there. 7 and 8, we have an 8 now in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Yeah. 4, 5, 6. Need a 6 here, okay. 6 and 8. How about 6 and 6 and 3. No. 4, 5, 2, 3. We have a 3 now in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes here. 6 and the 5, we have a 6 now in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 5 goes and there. For the 5, we have a 5 now in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 4 should be there. One box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 and 3, we have a 7 now in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 3 goes there. One box left in this column for number, I believe the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below, so last row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8, we have 8 in the last row, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Wow. Not the 4 stars, not the 3 stars. Let me give this out again a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I will do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.